Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can use the steel fitter tool within CloudWorx for Revit. Let's get into it. I'm going to start by opening up my LGS file. Once I have this brought into my Revit environment, I'm going to use the clipping tools to make the data easier to view. Now that I've located the area that I want to work in, I'm going to use the polygon fence tool to hide off the rest of the point cloud to make it easier to extract the steel. With this clip set, I need to set up some levels within my project. Using the level by point tool, I can very quickly select the floor, give it a name, and give it a floor plan. I'm now ready to start the steel fitter tool. I can choose the different section types that are available within the tool. I can also tell it to use a steel catalogue for finding the size. In this case, I'm going to use the British steel. I can set my RMS error and the level that my steel is attached to. Once I'm happy, I can click OK and click on 2 points to extract out the piece of steel. You'll see that I now am greeted with the steel catalogue. I can select the right size and apply that. I can simply rinse and repeat this process until I have collected all of the steel that I require for my project. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I'll catch you on the next one.